Good afternoon. Thank you for coming to the channel. Today is going to be a DIY, basically on this wood rot right here. I don't know if you can see it from the lighting. I'm gonna fill that in. It's supposed to look like that side over there, but water seems to hit right here and accumulate. I got to figure out that part right there. So I'm gonna dig that part out, mix up some filler, and place it in there, and I'll show you how I do it. I'm gonna chisel out this part. I don't have my chisel, so I'm gonna use this knife and this hammer. I'm gonna chisel all that part away, and then I'm gonna fill it in. So we dug away most of that. We gotta clean out in that area, and then we're gonna mix these two together. Alright, so we dug this out. Got to get some of the loose particles out of there. And then after that, I'm going to mix it up in that container there. And this is PC Wood Epoxy. We're going to mix this one in here with this one.
Okay.
And I'm going to do that off camera because I need both hands to film. Actually, to mix, I should say. Correction. Mix some of it up. It's kind of thick already, so I don't even know what the drying time period is, but I'm sure it doesn't take long. So I'm going to set it in there. Let's see. Will remain workable for half an hour. So yeah, you don't have much time. So yeah, I'm going to set it in there now. Alright, so far, it's pretty messy. What I would advise is the little, I forgot what that's called.
Finger?
No, the little spade thingy. Make sure that it's the appropriate size. So that's part of the issue I'm running into. What a mess. Second thing I'll say is make sure you clean off that area after you try to remove the debris. I should have taped off the door and stuff, but now I'm gonna have to like scrape that off. And then I'll sand that down. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna come back perfect like how that is, but it'll be close enough. And all over my hands. Should have wore gloves, but whatever. Alright, so here's the inner side. And I should put some kind of like border there so it would like, because it kind of tends to like, since it's gravity, it kind of tends to like pull down more at the bottom. Stuff was kind of hard to get off, so I had to use some of that mechanic gone, whatever that stuff is, orange, whatever. And so just wait for it to dry. Maybe I'll try and mold it a little bit more when it starts to harden more, but we'll see about it. If you notice in like the center there's like a little crater. It's like dropped down some of it, so I'm gonna try and fix that before it like fully hardens. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and let me know. Thank you. Take care.